So you might be running into some issues with your Android phone where for some reason the alarm is just being quiet whenever it's going off. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, you might just want to go ahead and make sure that your alarm in the first place isn't actually going through and it's actually set to a low amount. So you can always make your way over to your settings application like this and try to find the sound panel. So there should be a little sound panel somewhere. You can go and find it at some place. So sound and vibration. And right here where it says like system sound, you might want to tap on it and you might want to make sure that your system sound volume isn't very low. So go ahead and take your system sound volume, make it as high as you can whenever you want, and that can help kind of fixing this problem. So try doing that and you might want to see if that ends up fixing the problem for you, which for a lot of people, that might end up doing it. Now another thing you might want to do is just make sure that when you're using your alarm, sometimes when you actually use your alarm, if your phone is like face down, it might just detect that your like alarm is like close to your face and it will actually go through and lower the alarm volume. Sometimes some devices do that. So in this case, you might just want to make sure that your device isn't actually doing that either. So make sure your device, when you're putting it to bed or when you're going to sleep, don't like have it face down like this. Maybe have it face up, and that can also help kind of increase the volume because it won't think that it's like hiding in the dark or hiding from your face or anything like that either. So those are basically the main things to kind of do here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.